In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check my JD.com cart in 2025. To get started, open the JD.com app on your mobile device, or go to JD.com in your web browser if you're using a computer. Either option works, so just choose the one that's most convenient for you. Once the site or app has loaded, sign into your JD.com account. You can log in using your phone number, email address, or username, depending on how your account is set up. Make sure you're signed into the correct account, especially if you use more than one, because your cart items are tied to your personal profile. After logging in, look for the cart or shopping cart icon. On the mobile app, this is usually located near the bottom of the screen. On the website, it's often found in the top right corner. The exact placement can vary slightly depending on updates to the layout, but it should still be clearly labeled or represented with a cart symbol. Go ahead and tap or click that cart icon to open your shopping cart. This is where you'll see all the products you've added while browsing. Take a moment to review the items in your cart carefully. This is a good time to confirm that you've selected the right products, sizes, colors, or variations before moving forward. If needed, you can update item quantities using the plus and minus buttons next to each product. This is helpful if you want to buy more than one of something or reduce the quantity before checkout. If there's anything you no longer want, select delete or remove to clear it from your cart. Keeping your cart organized can make checkout faster and help avoid ordering something by mistake. Next, check the important pricing details shown in the cart. Look at the product prices, any shipping fees, available discounts, and promotions that may apply to your order. This step is useful because totals can change depending on quantity, seller, shipping destination, or current deals. Once everything looks right, select the items you want to purchase by checking the boxes beside each product. This is especially important if your cart contains several items, but you only want to buy certain ones right now. Finally, click or tap checkout to proceed with your order. From there, you'll typically move on to shipping, payment, and final order review. And that's how to check your JD.com cart in 2025 quickly and easily.